1, 2, 3, go!
Hello mga kapuchi! Ito pa yung tanong sa third floor ng bahay ni Choppy Ding at the house. So, ang guest natin ngayon ay si Shaira Magdasal, Iguugan. What's your question, madam?
What's the question? Okay, the first question is, what does love mean to you?
Huh?
What does love mean to you?
Love?
Yes.
Love is a good... No.
Okay, what? Go
No. Love is a good condition to love someone, people, and special someone, and also my beloved friends also, and all of us. Okay, cat. Wala cat ka, sorry. Nag-shorter this.
Second question.
Yeah. Next question is, do you consider yourself romantic?
Ha?
Do you consider yourself romantic? Do you consider yourself romantic?
Love romantic? Considered as good condition is love romance. Panada nila ng vlogger.
Go.
Considered to no? Considered romance I could it. I know that my Kablanco tagamay. Sorry mga kapuchi. Kablanco ta, sorry.
Sige, ikaw pupunta na ko no.
Next question.
Okay.
What is your love language?
Love language?
Yes.
English ba?
English also and also
Sige.
Today?
Sige, go.
Love language.
Love language? Ilonggo and English, Tagalog also. Hamba ko sa imo gudto, di makatutas ang ano. Ang bato di sa sugod ta, sumunta tumuro, sa Cebu. Matagal, bukas pa matagal pa bukas.
That's your love language?
Yes.
Okay. What's your love language?
Love language? Ilonggo and English.
Okay, next question is, what hobbies do you have?
Hobbies?
Yeah.
Hobbies?
Hobbies or what?
Hobbies is... What is hobbies? I forgot the word. Hobbies. Idea. Hobbies is a game?
Is a
Okay,
game?
a game. A game was volleyball, badminton, and table tennis.
Table tennis.
Volleyball and badminton and soccer.
Asa ka na siya magdagan-dagan. Okay, ikaw na ko na yung mag-question na po nila.
Okay, the question is for you, April and Shaira Magdasal. How could you two words to say I love you? And good people to ask you I love you. How to say the word I love you? How could you say I love you to people as as tanan as as
Saranghe.
no that's that Korean word Korean explain it
Ay, hindi ba siya tumaraki po?
Awan later na. Oh, sige, explain. Si April, wala ka tubag.
Sige na. O, binasayan siya. Saan ba binasaya?
Saan mo pag I love you sa people na tanan? Lagi sa I love you.
Using microphone.
No. No.
Why?
How to speak a word I love you. I love you, mahal. I love you. I love friends. Oh, di ba?
Welcome to my vlog.
Ako niya sa kung to.
Imong pagutara, imong tuban.
O, ano ba?
Mga siya mga sample.
Oh, sample. Sige. Reason.
Reason di ay.
Answer your question.
Answer your
my question.
Ha?
Answer my question.
Ano to kanina?
Gato ba? Inyo mang opinion, idea. Yes. Hello.
Ano, sige na. Mag-closing spiel, naguro ka?
Lusa ka.
Oh, thank you to our viewing, to love us, and to my follower, to all my citizens there, and also my follower. Relax and enjoy. Bye bye.